Can this vending machine survive real business use? If you run vending machines, reliability is everything. Downtime means lost sales. That's why before our machines leave the factory, they go through stability and durability tests. A vending machine works in public spaces 24/7. That means the structure needs to be strong, stable, and secure. Machines don't just need to survive daily use. They also need to survive international shipping. A vending machine is more than just a machine. For operators, it's a business running 24/7. That's why reliability matters. If you're looking for reliable vending solutions for your business, distribution network, or projects, reach out to us.